Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie. This channel is about motherhood and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a rear-facing infant car seat on an airplane. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. The car seat you bring to the airplane has to be FAA approved. Look for FAA approved sticker on your car seat. Even if FAA approved, there's no guarantee that your seat will fit on a specific plane. Check your seat's dimensions and compare them against your airplane seat to make sure you are not left with a useless car seat on the plane. If you are using a rear-facing only car seat, it usually comes with a base. So here is what we found out until we were actually installing the car seat base on flight. To secure the car seat base, you need to pull the airplane seatbelt buckle all the way to the middle, which makes it impossible to put the car seat on top of it. If you move the buckle to the side to make room for the car seat, the seatbelt will just be too loose for the base, and therefore the car seat base won't be placed stable on seat. So you can't use car seat base on flight. Now we will install the car seat directly without the base. First, ask for a seatbelt extender from the flight attendant. Slide the extender's buckle into the original. Then buckle in other side. Fasten the seatbelt by pulling both ends. Check the car seat to make sure it is fastened tight enough. Check from time to time to make sure the car seat is securely fastened by the seatbelts. Readjust if seatbelts loosens. The rear-facing car seat will impact how much room the passenger sitting in front of your baby can recline. Trying to seat another family member in front of your baby if possible. It is suggested to install the car seat in the window seat to avoid blocking the aisle. Try to reserve a full row to your group, or at least an aisle and a window seat. Passengers are less likely to choose the middle seat between you, so you will have more privacy.